Just the late secretary to one caddies la people like a show and it a ring reading tea can so chevalang ta you took to ta look but the sawache tell the cha kerangi lota te the changi by na kerangi chitung indung di kerangi chidure la shera kerangi chidu December monthly reading a month December month the candidate which chungudu what changes are coming for you and what can you expect it in December month okay no one did one can la karigari chungudu changes karigari do yaga and kari chungudu yang precautions lingo and karigari do on the kola sangmanga zora detailed health career relationship tickets ang mala detailed reading chigi di induni ngendung di lulu chinisi la share ani kira ye timestamp in description na la shagi. If you want to watch this video in English then your timestamps are in the description box as well ani tanzo yang Himalayan Rikyu Himalayan pinga den zo ichi durata ya byugi kashi ya buku matsungi den zo ichi ya inji na la subtitle te on de le dara on de ni kang tup tup da subtitle de de ya du sumang ku tu da ni on de ge changma tis kang tup tup ngarang inji ke la she she try chi yura on de le la shuri sta dang boshinara di de dang ani edit che de wale so this chick try chi ni she shanara ani paju de go chu de che ani lo de ma go che da garang go su ye che on de ge dang garang try chi yura 아니 가상대와 있는 정말 비디오 나라 비게다 잉글리시니까 믹스 chen 시샤이라야 믹스 chen 시라양 가시 오래 가시 직양 테스트 몇개 멘도 삼삼 직도랑 가랑 기다 삼수르다 양 비게 나라 있다 비게 약보 고충이 되서라 양 테스트 녀베 저 비게 나라도 인진 나라도 섬에 저다 닝이 repeat chidu same cho de samasio mare to ngarangi samsurida yang ondigita tiringe testik inji gi chido yang khaga shishegi samsra ani ra sozo inji ta doyenge de zo chido yang keranzo kandi feel chesta dingwe la senzi nang sange de zo chido ra ani ngege khasang ngege chewalang ta yu dukdul ta look pa do samang inji da bege mix chen shi yen keranzo senzi nang sange de zo kandi to feel chesra yang kashi chiruda yang peyak podu lai du ngal de langi chungsra on peyak podu ngone nganzo sarngi ni lara da injina la bege na lara pe sangma cha du dusra on de langi chungs ngala ti indu yang kiran so ka de feel chesora okay intangbo tanga zo reading de ko chuk shaura Just the late lo ta so ni kira gi chidu reading yi la share kira gi chidu December month kira gi kare expect chena ti du kare chungsa re kare changes to kare li du on the color reading detail try kira gi health career relationship na la ra ya ga de kare chungu du and precautions lengo and kare kare du on the sangma reading chegi ra kina la kare kare chungu du kare expect chena ti du on the de ra Tintu dang bo kira current energy tungira current energy lawa ta tilestra temperance card okay kira na chirda ne current energy pe positive tura kira gi chidungi ante tang bo card sama tin shagira ante chini kira gi tishigira okay current energy da upcoming energy ni kala pe major card li dura kira gi chido ni ti chini kira gi chido health chasa health and the kira gi chido relationship December nang kandi to ti don chira and kira gi chido career la kira gi kandi to expectation ti do ra kira la kari changes to lead on the chi and the kira la blessings and guidance yan sama tungi ra and the okay blessings wow beautiful ning chemo blessings paying chemo okay blessings tangbo chenia detail blessings ti cheni tuyongora kina blessings and kare expect chedo animal spirit guidance la was spirit la sometime life things okay they kat ti mangbo chila list kasan lo da mangbo la diran list ra mo ti this December la this is chunju chi ta kale do chi chunju da chuya ingi ra on de sometimes life stings like the lead da live la this kanya chunju yung gire la di dura ti mangpo chela les kasan nira ani pop catch live is a mystery okay live is a mystery dia ti dura kina la ra okay kina gi chido da animal spirit ki guidance on de ning ji moni kelis ra kina gi chido okay ani di cheni da blessings cheni tu ngora ani tangpo kina gi current energy ni ma ko chu du kina na khandi dula na Kirangi current energy pe balancing dura ani kirangi kang tup peaceful shire gang la thia fruitful result positive ani kang tup gi samlo mind pe peaceful shaya da ani control de ba yi che da shuk chimbu che da ani on de tungi du ani live la chita ni balance shuk chimbu che try chi dura live la career down so health tang ani so relationship yenche sangma la ra du ya potang to get balancing life ke ra da so kali shuk chimbu ke gi na yang kiwe ra so kiwe shuk chimbu tang ya on de da pe balance le ra live la kang chi to the pay balance yang you can get down there member yang kale shukchim boke won den ra kiran ki life pay balance to the study den la balance in siri na chita ne situation ya be positive to thong do na currently ra be positive situation to do ni communication kiran ki ra ke jan zo ne be sub share da yak share communication skill dis yak ko do ne thong do ra be positive card li do ni koncho gi ne dok shukchim bo nang gi wa kiran ki ra melam ta khare kya wa ne on the tukyo to ne de tungi to kiran ki chedo ni upcoming energy la karli do la realization shukchim bo chili do da kiran zo spiritual path la tungi de zo gi chedo be positive card to ra kiran zo ya de realize che chme da so awareness kang la de thama de so who am I la do ni mu da tirisha la this realize shukchim bo che de on de la gyore kiran zo spiritual path main yen tan da malenge kong lo chungwa de 되게 기치도 가리라는 소소양 라이브를 realize 지라 nga ende che duwa sam에 도다니 relationship chola 소소이 오 당아 텐데 노르기 두와 sam에 도다 지 realize 숙침보다 디 realize 디페 약고 positive cho라르다 디 realize 제와니 송아니 계란조 life transform 차야라 change 차야 soso ta career le struggle chi na career chola da o nga tende che duwa samye to da ra ani soso relationship chola that this team into sana o da relationship chola tende che na ya ku duwa samye to ra soso ye realize shuk che bo chi tungi do ke di realize shewani zum kirangi life pe transform cha ra change cha ra pe positive chola change cha ra ani control ine nam gyu shira de ba chi mi wa na da shuk che bo de ba yi chi shuk che bo le tu ya chu dang tende la shuk che bo yi chi le tu ya ka chi soso realize chi na soso yu ne o tende ya pu do di ngon tende che duwa samechme o tende realize che o tende realize ki katli dura kinanzola ani kinanzola konjo ichirdan pe tok shuk chimbu tu tanda current energy le shuk chimbu kinanzola karimelam ta wa ni madu and ge mewa dura konjo le shuk chimbu te ba che ichi che soso ida namgin konjo la du soso ide ba ichi che sa chi ora o de gela sorry teba do da ande chidu kiran la dog shuk chimbu na de konjo gi protection shuk chimbu do kiran la katra upcoming energy le de konjo kan ma si de da on ta ota de da currently kiran la kyaplo la ti da konjo gi to hon di ra kiran gi energy ni kala pe konjo gi dog shuk chimbu do kiran so so namgyu so la de ba chi gi on di gi dog pe shuk chimbu do da currently okay currently and upcoming energy ni kala pe shuk chimbu do ra 아니 디 인도 그런저다 소소 남긴 대바 체데서 지요라다 소소소라 남긴 대바 치기요 되게라 랍 니마 딱거 마체와던 무투니 컨티뉴 대바 체 이치체 멜람 탑치도 그런라 랍에 독숙침부 you are protected 라이데라 온디 숙침부 둥기도 안디 체니 카르리르라나 그런게 health chola 그런페 시리도 페 positive to 약부도 mentally 페 peace to December la health chola problem 게 통미도 그런라 health issue and 리기오 아이네 그런게 페 handle 약부치도도 가지나 그런라 strength card 리드로 디인도 그런게 소볼라 뉴바디 요르다 그런게 소볼라 수보다 레발라 스카니에 도다 카르레와 있는 동린체 토게기 소소로 나로네 에너지 디요리야 에너지 포지티브 디요리 디긴든 그러나 네게티브 에너지 도다 나사 도다 아니 심큐미게 중에도 네게티브 토트스 인 카르리기오 아니 그랑기 파이트 도 릴라니 쉐라 아니 그랑기 치도 가진라나 그러나 스트렝트 라 뉴퍼슈크 침부 중요한 포지티브 페이션스 라 칸이 카리테와 있는 동린체 토게 동린체 칼릴르르소 칼라오레 섭섭란데인데들 okay patient chimura sugum laura da khali ra deal chia tang zo khari chirlana khadune nga zo nutu kan de shurgirlan so nasa chile entik lamsang dirina tago sangina tago lai cha simkyu mege cho tandaranga kyu chago lai cha ta odi impatience chara ta odi chado ni so kani ta ma ti yora dela ta kiragi ka deal chi do le le china okay ti ringa natsa di suele ta lo mangbo chi sagyo natsa resra ta trele gorgi resra di dungi patiently handle chos bümin mixe yo ngaranzo ayurvedic kandi unibus saudura then natsa di sangmat sangya suele unibus sauda mega ja ta bümin tu sa de ngyobudo yo gorgi du natsa thayala laichmi onde ni mai bache kiran ki pe patience tongdo okay life la pe patience mental health physical health kari gi supu ra treating kala kenagi pe kalawri kenagi pe deal ra lelo chine deal che to ya ondi tingidura andi chine kenagi chido mental peace shukchimboli do mid December ne ma kenagi pe shide kan la de to ya pe transformation la ne tigidu kenagi health onde ne ta kisik health ra trading la kanyi do tigi wa ne kenagi ondi ne transformation shukchimbo chili do kenagi la change ra positive chola pe kenagi ka chinla na kenagi dingam do la strength ngam do kenagi sugum da chi pa chine kenagi ra health take care che sa din do kenagi la tibu karili do pera shide lulu kyu kalaure be peaceful ra peaceful shukchi mutingi do changes ra kinangi health kana change be yakpo positive change lidura dilli ala kinala tampo dikin shidela lidura okay kinangi health chola wote do chitungu be positive to simti to comment your December la ani kinangi da khari chola simti to la na relationship chola simti okay relationship chola khari li la na confusion ra kinan tanda currently confusion yugire relationship chola thakchu ma to me khar de to confusion thong dura yana kinangi de December ge starting month la ra tende feel chire starting de wala feel chire December ge this confusion to khari thakchu go ma chu ya do da yak pu thong ma to ya do clarity kirangi ra mind la ta sangmat sangyang kinangi thakchu ma to ko acha ya tende relationship chola courage decision lenga to ai ne thak chubo majunge jime one confusion kala digidu okay ani one de card lidu starting to alone ne confusion kala lidu ani kena la de option yo mangbo to thong ani khare dam go ko ma chu ya do da ta di love life ki relationship na la shagri ya shana tigire ya na kena gita so gita single in by ne so and rata dewa mangbo do cha ni su khari yakpo yi su khari intention khari yu guma chu ye chime on den de yin si re okay kaji chi chido yan den na kalawra family chola ra ta khari thak chu go yi da khunjola kan yi do te wai ne khandi the condis handle chego ko ma suya do the confusion is and chaya on the yin si ro ke gan so de do chi thong du din du kang top ki relationship chok la le du kerang mental peace sha go ge chi bu do ke this meditation chego ya ra shop pe kamanga chu ningu kamanga konda kamanga and this six so mind this peace ka sha to ya che ani dia ani tan du kira deep breathing to ra best option deep breathing re ani one de che nature yu sa ra sing dong the pang q and nature yu sa and nyam do to this ki go okay kira relationship ya posu go to samna o tege la this tuna chena ya podu ka jin na full of confusion to ngido okay ge go chi thak do negative and ge min do da kira thak chwe ma do ne confusion on de do shi ngido relationship chola ra din do da din ma twen chi do on the best so le to this tang mind this lulu sha ani on de chewa na khari result ligi re shwa na ran kana gi chi dili re intuition ya pocha ra kana this meditation to che ani kalaure nature ngam du this tang ya do da deep breathing che do da ra kang tup symbol lulu sha ya she ne pe soft music and me instrument and soft instrument on de ne chik ani dep to lawyer to da ra on de to chewa ina ani khera la ra pay clarity relationship chola pay clarity li thuro okay then this confusion to December month and this kirangi career chola li do career chola pay positive to danda kirangi current li chikra kirangi achievement chewa kyu chungwa yakpo chikra na khalawra kirangi kari kali kyane ondi ge tibu yakpo tyo positive tyo chik de go ani celebration on the starting month on the day to kirangi pay positive ka to career chola ra luto imba ne ikyu tang ikyu pe yakpo cha ani so nang me pincheng yam do zom kip tang ya thende gi in sigre okay kiranzo gi chido result kari ne pe positively ani kyu cho and tichene kirangi journey sawa ko chu ya December la kirangi sawa chi go chu ya chance to ra career chola re ta career chola lega chingi di zo imba ne re business chingi imba ne re kinan zo lo to imba khari imba ne ra tik sawa chi ko chu ya ra o ne tingi do okay journey sawa chi ko chu do di en kirangi chi do pe positive to journey de pe positive to shimba gi kinan la advice kirangi chi again but then zo gi advice chingi kinan la ra gi re ne o de ge follow chi go re okay ani pe yakpo ra hangsa ya do career positive full positive to cut okay career hangsa ya positive do ani relationship chelo confusion do ai ne kerangi shegu min do ke pe kyushin te ukachin la na kerala ra blessings karili do relationship gi dili do that relationship gi kerala blessings karili do la na happiness ra completion ra Tuba kare yo ade tubia kirangi tuba yo anang shingi relationship jungya undi kerala blessings li do kerala ra contrast entity reda dokcho laura ta kerala de la pe confusion do raine de la pe positive nami pinche samanyam no zom kip tang ya kirangi da relationship na la ta sasana la imba ne kare imba ne celebration shukchimbo tingi do nangmi pinche soso yupugu ra soso yupama nangmi da su nying yue sangmanyam shanti sangmanyam da zomzom celebrate chia ra pe yakpo positive card li do relationship chola di indu kirangi danda de la chi confusion chik do ta won di shira chunju re din zo ya simte ke cheo mindu bas da soso do this chi ra do zo tin soso zo ichi do zo tin ya ani this chi mind this calm ka la shaya ra shide ka la shaya di indu chi dang de kirangi sorry ani kirangi mind pe calm kala shatu do physically ne pe strong to mind ne pe calm shatu do di problem di kirala pechi shukchimbo thi mare samgi do ya ni Ani kirang la blessings yan di do di in the relationship ya be positive do okay tama de ke simde do chego ke thongum min do okay diksha chama pe apodo be ka chama positively do ra di indu ani kirang chi do da blessings taura health kana blessings che relationship kana che ndi che ne career kana che ra ani dekhrang ki chidu da health kana blessings khari li dula ideas sawa chira idura khaje na cha ka ni thingi de zo chidu da ra minchuri ba che agi kokap sangbo yak po chi ra so zo la de ra in si re se ba ki umengi de zo chidu ra so zo la ya se ba ki usunge sui thuge ki chidu idea and ra lam de ende tende china yak pu dula to da so zo tis chik sim gi ka ni yungi de zo yora sim gi ka ni da mind mental tis chik ra ka ni yungi de zo chidu ra da tis ka ni thi dingi de zo chidu re da kiran zo yak pu sui thuge gi ni ba li du ani kiran zo physically imba ne ka ni thi dingi de yang khaje na cha tis ka ni thi dingi de changma gi chidura nile thuya gi ra kiran zo la da na kalaure chinap laura koncho gi to laura yana unde ne kiran zo la help to laura unde de chili gi du kiran zo la pe yak pu sui thuge gi okay kiran zo la idea sa wa chi yak pu chi de so so hops la mental kan la le mind kan la le yana mi gi so so la suggestion chi ara unde de chin so so la yak pu cha to h me unde de tungi do ni relationship chona kiran la pe peaceful shidi chungya shidi relationship chola mati ko to wa courage chungyo ane de changma la du to ya shidi le to ya gi ni ba kari na blessings le do okay kiran chola universe ki blessings onde tang do shidi relationship la tubzin yok ta khare do chi mati ko to digyo ane de changma le ma to ya kiran shidi sim la shidi onde re dara clear chola kiran gira ani ka kale kare gya ane de la tibu pe positive ani financial gain shuk chimbu tungi do ke kiran gi kale ke gyo ane re kiran gi nami pinche kale ke gyo ane sui kale ke gyo ane onde la financial gain shuk chimbu ani kiran la ine pe ki uchu ya ka jina financial gain shuk chimbu tungi do ra okay ani kale ya pu kyap an tibu pe apu tuya kale kyap tibu ya pu tuya onde ra kiran gi kale kya de gyo na onde gi tibu pe positive hang sa financial gain shuk chimbu tungi do ke kiran zo ichi do blessings onde la financial gain December na la financial gain pe shuk chimbu do kiran zo ichi do ani chi da ni kiran zo ide sar kale ya pu gyap thungi onde de insar okay ani bobker spirit life is a mystery kirala life like the mystery re like the dura kirala this mystery your life la samsam da ta tindi chung mare something ne tindi chung to and then samsam da ti da pe le la or chung gir samne ma chung and that mystery to ta life ra odi ki shigyor kirala tindi chung sigre ra tuba so ente da tuba kalaure na ta tindi da chung ya khapor ya samya tindi hopes la chung to da so pe ki ucha one de chung sigre kina chi the feeling tindi li sigre okay on the bobcat spirit ki le dura was spirit sometimes life stings like the leader and samsam ya kirala this kanye ti sigre ni kirala handle che turi la chme ho di tungi du kiranga chi du reading on de re ni kiranga chi du da ra reading da gam sre ni kiranga la ra December month kin so lo go message de penging chi mo chi ni ra yo pere wa yo ni kiranga ngi du de la kada channel subscribe la nam gi shu na shin ra ani kalaure yo di chi yung if your animal sign is monkey, then this reading is for you. So first I'm going to start with your current energy, and your current energy looks very balanced, positive. You're being guided by God and you're supported, or you're balancing everything in your life, in your current energy. Everything okay, in your relationship, with your career, with your health, and everything okay, everything you are balancing and you are protected as well. Upcoming energy is like big realization and transformations are coming for your upcoming energy, and you are going to realize something very big okay. This can be your spiritual path, or this can be in a relationship. And for your health, the strength card is coming for your health, so you're going to be very strong, you're going to feel very strong, patience and peaceful in December month. So whatever you're having, if you are having any issues, health issues, mental health issues, or physical health issues, whatever you're going through, you're going to deal with that with very patiently okay, and you are going to feel very good. Transformations are there after the mid of December, and you are going to feel very good about yourself, you are going to feel very peaceful, and you are going to feel very strong as well for your health. So your health looks very positive for the December month. And then after that, your relationship, you looks little bit in a confusion, you are unable to decide okay, so you're unable to see everything very clearly, or you are unable to decide on something in the relationship. Okay, so you are going to see lots of options as well if you're single, or you're having lots of options for your relationships, your parents, your child, or this can be anything. Okay, you want to do something for them, but you are thinking a lot, having lots of thoughts, and now you're confused what you are going to do with your relationship with your parents, with your, this can be anyone, your loved ones. Okay, this can be in all love life. You are going, if you're single, you're going to see lots of options, and now you're confused which one to choose. Okay, these kind of energy is coming for you in December month. So for that, if you want to feel very clearly, and if you want to feel want to decide, then you have to do some meditation as well. It's going to be very good meditation. Deep breathing or spending some time with the nature is going to feel very good, going to be very positive result, going to bring very positive result in your relationship. Okay, when you are having these kind of confusions in a relationship. After that, your career looks very positive. You right now you are enjoying, or in the starting of the December you feel like completion, and you're going to celebrate with your family members whatever you have worked for. You're going to see some positive results, and then you are going to be very happy and celebrate with your family members, or your okay partner. You're going to celebrate with your partner, this can be anyone. Okay, so your celebrations are there, and after that you are going to start something new. Okay, something new journey is starting for you, and after that you will receive some advice from the elder person, from your family members, or this can be your teacher or anyone. Okay, you're being guided in December, mid of December, and then you're going to start something new. So new journeys is starting for you, and after that, even if you are having difficulties in taking decision in a relationship, then no need to worry, because the 10 of Cups is coming. So you're feeling very happy with your relationships, your family members. You're going to celebrate with them as well, and you're going to feel complete. Okay, you're going to feel satisfied, happiness, completion. Okay, so whatever you're wishing for, you're going to receive that. This can be marriage, this can be reunion as well. Okay, if you are expecting this kind of thing, then you are going to see the positive result. Okay, so after that, about your blessings, you are for your health, you are receiving some good ideas, good thoughts to make your health life better. Okay, so after that, your relationships, you are going to be in a very peaceful place in a relationship. If you are going through any issues in a relationship, anything, any bad thing, okay, you are going to come out of come out from that kind of situation, and you're going to be in a very peaceful place in a relationship. More mutual understanding, more respects and everything. Okay, so this is your relationship blessings. And after that, your career blessings is like you are going to receive a big amount of money. This can be you're working very hard, that's why, or your partner is working very hard or something. Okay, so whoever is working very hard in your family members, you are going to see very big positive amount of money. Okay, very happy money is coming for you as a financial, as a career blessings. Okay, for December month. And then the animal spirit is guiding you and saying that life is a mystery. Okay, so you can expect something, and then you will receive that. And sometimes you are not expecting anything, but still you are receiving very positive things, and then you are feeling like wow. Okay, so these kind of things will happen in your life as a guidance. Okay, and second guidance is sometimes life stings. Okay, sometimes you will face some difficulties as well, so but you have to face that challenges sometimes. Okay, so this is your guidance as well. And then okay, so that's it for you. I hope you understand and you received your messages very well, and thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye. test le jalo to so ni kira gi chidura December gi monthly reading ira di indun kira la kare kare chungudu kira kare expect chena di du changes kare kare li du positive kare kare li du negative kare kare chungudu precautions kare kare li du on the call health relationship career and blessings and guidance everything okay and di indu kira gi chidu kala ore dangbo kina ye current energy ni ma kochugi ira kira la current energy kan de thigido okay current energy heavy to feel chigi sarre kina zo on the do shitungi du current energy Kojigo to feel chair to the responsible lots of taking responsible ra kirangi responsible shukchimbu lingi gain shukchimbu kigi auto de tingidura ani yana kirangi career chola the same shukchimbu kidi gire yana relationship chola yana kirangi lobto bana lob chong dan de gi tola shukchimbu simdi du kidi on de heavy do ra yang kaji jigda go ra 고지고 저도 feel 체인데 라 희망이 숨도 쏘다 고지고 저도 feel 체도 라시메 온데레 인시르 카지 치도 오케이 온데레 current energy on the upcoming energy the temperance okay very beautiful card is coming for your upcoming energy 라 항상 card 야 붙이리기 두라 쉐라 아니 디제니 기나기 치도다 health 라 health 라 the chariot 리드라 the moon okay and 디제니 relationship 라 Okay, relationship on this chick heavy to that. Heavy made it so Any career, okay, nice. Okay, career, blessings. Okay, financial loss of financial, big amount of money, big, happy money. As a blessings, what did you do? And teach any that can I okay, animal spirit, kikarala, December month, kichidu guidance, karikeli do. Okay, cat spirit. Finally, cat spirit, Lisra. Chameleon spirit. Act as if. Nice, yeah. Take shot into the shara. And current energy issues are not heavy to carry which you can get to feel. Chikirangi gain shukchimboji kigyo dira zodo complete chagyo do den de tungi dura kaji chi dura da danda padu kirangi gain shukchimbo ki da nya chi gain da peche zodo do dik do nya chi lega de dup do do lachme on den de do chira tungi du kaji yang go shukchimbo na do da den de ingire ra kaji chi support this nyopto do chai do da ni go this chi wo do feel che den de insir kaji physical tungi ra kaji chi do ya mental ra pe samlo shukchimbo ke pe kange shukchimbo Samlo mangbo kia dinde in siri yana kirangira gain shukchimbo kia dara mangche chigi chido gain rang tondo gain pe shukchimbo ra responsible shukchimbo kia dele dungi dura upcoming energy la kari dula na okay da di kirangi da heavy kari yo ane dege sama complete cha zo do ra andi chini kirangi chido kari ko chudol balanced life okay everything is so balanced in your life ra relationship ine takpa so yakpo to to da ni da kala health ine pe ya positive da kari ma do chi kari do chi jung de ne odi sangmara pe balance kan la do to era on de dungi dura kirangi chido pay positive card lido okay upcoming energy 항상 약불 lido kiranzolara Nidi karti 통화당에 건초기 쪽을 내 슈기라 니 건초기 슈침보 kiranla lam튼 시에딘데 슈침보 뚱교레 인디 인도 kiran 카리로 지체 직 제가 좋아하는 건초라 멜람탑데 직 제가 저도 kiran 마두반데 게 맞충해야 된데 라 소소 이치다 데바 슈침보 샤고에 데 뚱교라 라이브라 치탄데 pe balance life lido kiran게 health career relationship ra mental physical health 상마 pe balance ra 오디 upcoming energy pe positive to kiran게 치도 okay 단다 카리 도 식강에 도 heavy 도 카리 feel 치규 내려다 가지 지기도 heaviness 춘중이 가지 지기도 슈침보 Rakinazo Karichi Chung Karim by ne, take Sangmalara, major card lead to the Indukanazora, Hangsang, positive do ra. Upcoming energy pay Yakudu, teaching Kirangi health can lead to the health can Kirantis chick December Girata, the December month la chick Chena Kanalara mood. Kirangi mood ups and down no the day feel chasey rakaji to the Indukanazolera moon yaksho positive tikarilla sebachonga gitawa. Radakar, sewa chonga yitakar, and seba chupsi, chuksum, chupsi chonga, chuduk, chupdin padope, full moon teda, this full data. Oh, the you do any moon wall at this chigra. Dakar gyog lara, this chicken so Dakar nyam do this meditation chair, Dakar yapushar di dura, konda, mixi, konda shagira. This chigra Dakarola de Kamangas meditate chair, Kamanisra, Dakarola, peace the feel chair, okay, peace the Dakarola did you sipo leisure, and so. Pe siwo yor lai chwa o di feel chia okay feel pe kyuta pe peaceful to shidi do le shidi di feel chia o di kiragi chidura marangi guidance suggestion re ta kajila kinala this moods this up down feel chidura this kyu me chair do da on the moon get this effect doing it right in the canal on the chena yapor okay this chick meditation ra kisi da so chick post single and kuni de tung mundu samba na she ra khalawre instrumental music la ni yoda be soft music ra on the day do chitam la tang ani be feel chech me takargi takargi sivi rangshin di feel chera peaceful on dira chiduna yapodo kirangi chido ke be best re ani ni 디제니 기나기 치도 지단에다 기나기 intuition power는 배 숙침 붙은 게도다라 기나조 야남 균이 meditation 칭이들의 인시르시 눈결이 취를 숙침 붙중에 라데 대파 숙침 붙칭이 다 원데리 인시르 기나조 에너지 원데리 통구도 배 positive energy 통구도라 아니 intuition power 숙침 보여요라 데리 통구도 gut feeling 되서 기나조 숙침 보여요 원데리 통구도 오케이 아니 디 health 라 지단에 physical health 간라 시고 간이 가리로지 통이 민두 이네 카지 찍니라 양 칸이 요아네 계란조라 칸이 딜레 마 트웬토야 디셈버 기 만틀 계란조 페 feel 라 strong feel 쉐 통이 되네라 수보페 뉴바 요교 소소 수고라 strong 라 immunity 딘조 약부 요아이나 계란조 간데 feel 치그레 간데 feel 치르 마타 소리 수보 immunity 딘조 약부 요아이나 아니 계란기 칼라오레 나사 카리도시 bad 카리도시 리요아이네라 bacteria tende duga ande yora the bad bacteria la ora on the kariyo ane sukuna you good bacteria gi fight che to gara ani kena the strong ra the you can get strong che fight che to en nasa kare to this nasa chunji chaba na ko na to that chinju kariyo wa ine fight che to kaje immunity yakpu to ngi dura kira ngachi on the strong to ngi du go be strong to ngi mentally ne pe peace to ngi dura ine 카시지기 지도양 mental test 투게 된데 중식이 레 안된데 중화이나 기나조라 소소소 양 마중뇌네거나 소소 precaution 카릴린 거라다 소소 대시 moonlight 월데 다세바 총아기 믹스에 다왔세바 죽숨 칩시 총아 추룩 춥딘 바도베 full moon 도 디다 moon 숙침부 라 된데 유디니 기나기 되월데 대시 까망아 추데데 곰게야 카시 양아 곰큐니 갸토 민도 용기거라 민도 삼바네 까망아 추다 카르기 옥라테네 옥체 오케이 파츠 옥체 많이 당기 벤자고루 당기 양 엄따리 두다리 두리소라 제순도 망아 싸기 원데데 치니 복지 오케이 항상 약부도 헬스 키치도 계란조 라인다 슈게라 아니 딘딘 계란게 티체니다 콜레스 헬스 차사 아니 계란게 relationship la fruitful result to 단다 봐도 계란게 relationship la 되바 khari 와치 계란게 두바 pe positive to go 약부도 튕기더라 December starting month la 계란게 relationship chola pe positive do authority 계란 티치라 powerful to 계란게 가리라와 이네 계란게 partner 게 support 숙침 보치야 오 덴데도 튕기더라 계란게 fruitful to 약부도 pe 항상 약보통기는 financial 등조에 pe 약보통기도라디 인도 계란 심바이네 pe q 오네도 통기도라야나 계란라 life partner 된데 지라 디스틱 authority powerful 유교 financial 약보 유교 fruitful result 다다바도 칼리 가리게요네 코랑 모랑 수임바네 partner 되게 대부 약보 통교 오네도 통기도라 아니 오네데 지 계란라 life partner 된데 툭 시리 싱글 인게 조치도 야나 계란게 already partner 된데 지 유기레 계란라 partner 약보 지 positive 된데 energy 라페 지 authority 유교 powerful 유교 지여라 더 financial 당 강지 돈의 약보라 단다바도 칼리 가리게요네 디부의 약보 등에 된데 인기래 오케이 keraa ingire yana keraa ge energy tende ingire yana keraa ge life partner ge energy tende ingire the energy pe positive yakpuchi keraa zo chol dura December la starting de all the feel chiri yana keraa zo ra okay diksha financially ne diksha kare kale kare ga ne de bu yapudu ani authority do powerful to sangma yapudu la ne keraa la ge si life partner o tende chi yunar da keraa ge life partner relationship na partner la shana ti dura keraa ge partner yana keraa single imba che partner ge mix se men keraa single rang the to ba yungi de zo chi do yang thi keraa ge ta so zo nangi game ba ta soso yu pala soso yu chojo soso ta soso la protect chengin chi ra o de la shane tigre yana dikira rangi energy ingir khaji chi chi do ke o de chi tungi du kale kyap tebu pi apo tyo yani soso powerful feel chi soso ti chi ta design ne soso ti chi thombo ra on de do tungi do powerful yakpo tungi do kerangi yana kerangi life partner yana kerangi chi protector tara on de kari ba on de tungi do ni mid December ne kerala karili do la kerangi boundaries sugi do ra ti chi life la soso relationship na la boundaries ti so ta kari ta tanda ba ta nga kari chung ta nge relationship ning yo indu nge kari chi yung ne ta je chu yu ta ine nga samsam pe kyu me kyo cha tu du di indu ta nga ngara te chi boundaries su du ngara gi stand che go du live la relationship in ba ne changma ta kari de ba yogyo nangshin je chu ya me la me kari de ba yogyo nangshin la ba treat candid che tep treat che de ta nga le treatment ina thende ko yo la me so la teach boundaries set che healthy boundaries te on the healthy boundaries set che on the day do chi ra kinange relationship chola o the day do chi positively boundaries set che ani yana kinange relationship chola this sustainedly and the day in sir kaji chi dura yang so la te kinange relationship partner ti apo mi du chi du ni du la nge do chuma na di chi do instantly ra o ya pu yu yak ta chi yu chi yu ni da chi gyora da so backup chi ara o the day do da kang tar be positive to relationship la ra ke nyok ta du ge thong mi do ke yana kirang this chik powerful meeting am dorang kirang this chik boundaries set che den de ingire okay that is so che do message kare redu so be len kyo chi ra ta gi so la chariya re okay kirang che do di kare redu ra boundaries set che de redu ki yana ye backup che do ra kirang partner la support che do ra khare che do yana kirang partner la ne tigre yana kirang da so ki protector ra so jo pala ta so counter da male energy ra shukchimbo chi li da dilara on dindu da di suine insigre okay so tayari dia ani di da kiragi da career chola le di kiragi belt shukchimbo chegyo ani onde le tongudura ani career chola kirala di chik kari tongudula na chik endi sar chik chena pe positive chola shawa na kiragi career la ra tanda ba to khali career do chi kiragi kale kya sha ne de la positive result tungidu ani kirang ra ani ngoma mati wa chi kari chuma ne de changma life la ra kiragi healing le do pe na for example kiragi ngoma ne chik de ba shukchimbo chik shayo ra 다 되바 숙침보지 example 약푸치 리민두라 결혼기다 그게 랑아 디체고 올라니 결혼기 미귤 직심다 숙침보가 띠랑 람가 강라 투기 이 커리어 초라 임바이나스라 더더라 아니 결혼기 네 온디 심토요 말이 오케이 심토요 말이 means kenan only go up the rayo marira the mara ani mara ni de ni mara and semba pe kyu me go cha and do chai chime ani the december ki month la kenan gi da leka shemba chik da kenan gi da chik shemba chik passion yu go laur kare chik da ra chunju chi go so ni onti ni pe yakpo cha do du ani leka di yakpo cha ni result positive thyu ni ngoma gi kenan gi madup kyo chi yora leka madup kyo chi ondi da kenan gi dup maso la ni sem la chik kanyi do shukchimbuji ke decha ondi heal chaya ondi mewa chaya ondi tingidura kanyi tewa de ngoma ngi kanyi tegyo chura ondi le heal chera ondi de do tingidura dikirangi yama kirangi ngone danda nyegi danda shawa dirang yimba na kinala ondi complete chala da osum korgido okay kirangi danda sawachi kozu december la jani sawachi kozu ondi ma do january february march padoli de ni kirangi lega digi pe result positive thong yongdu ni kirangi kari feel chidula na ani ngoma gi madu kyo dan kirangi nyobia do da disappointment do dan career chola de kari lop chong chola yimba ne career cho kari yimba ne de feel chigyo chiora madi wa feel chigyo tege sangma heal che kajina danda dikirangi chi kozu kyo di pe positive to do ni ngoma madu kyo sangma ke mindu diksha samechme on de chini healed the healing shukchimbuli do kiran cholo okay ani kiran la blessings karili do lana food lots of money ra pay financial gain shukchimbo happy money lana ti dura kiran so on de december gi mangcha gi chi do blessings karirang les lan tanda badura big amount of happy money rang li dura kiran so le tinan li do okay pe share po so la pinch bu shuk bu so la chungya so kali ge na so la chungya so life partner dang so inang me binche sui kali ge ne ondi ne ra financial shuk bu so la gain chen so ne pe positive feel chi ra so nang mil chung so mi chi la chung du so ge u jan so nang gi kali ge na so la chungya okay ondi ne pe financial gain pe shuk bu du gi du kan zo gi chi dura ani ke rang gi passion ra live la passion yu sawa da nga ti che pe de pa shuk chimbo do ta nge passion dire sha la ni kaji chi chi de passion so gi passion sawa nye te de tungi du o de gi financial pe apu cha de tungi do financial gain shuk chimbo tungi do ken kenan zo jimba tang kyo shuk chimbo tungi do kindness semba pe sang po che jimba tang ya jimba la ro pa che ya ka nge te de gen de ge la ro pa che ya de shuk chimbo tungi do ke kenan zo financial ya po je financial de ken ra kenan zo yana de saving ra kenan zo saving big amount of save chen de ma interest ante de shuk chimbo chung ya ra so la o de gi ngene ni kenan ge kaloreni 교코용의 인제 미교 당한테 지겨라도 교코용에 대해 럭바치 심상치야라 심심발라 신펜 숙치부 지겨 디셈버기 많게난 줄로 어디 등이도 신빈 숙치보라 어디 등이도 아니 디체네 기나기 지도 다 blessings 가리가리 리도라 디셈버 month la blessings okay 기나기 relationship la blessings ani kirangi career chola blessings Okay, the kinangi chidura health chola blessings karidula nara kinan sugira na decision yakpo chi lingi do health chola okay decision pe yakpo chi lingi do odi pe positive result ke lingi do the health chola decision kari li wa in December ki month la kinan zora health chola danga physical health ra support to din yakpo so chi dunga tende chi mental to din yakpo so chi dunga tende chi la do the odi de kinan sugira kari chi planning chi gi wa in ra odi la pe positive result as a blessings lingi do okay kinan zo kari chola chi kali ka wa ne de pe positive to your own the blessings li do and physical health chick chena kenan zo travel the day easy okay trip and the travel and share planning the day easy re di gi chene kenan zo physically pay the mentally pay the so trip to dang and the kalore so trip to chi le bai na ani kandi feel chi re so be relaxed feel chi ra ani mental pay peace cha sa ani supo ne be cure ra relaxed ra o the day ye blessings to okay kenan zo la the day li do khaji chi do okay and di chene kenan gi do relationship la ra new journey one relationship chick chena kenan gi the travel trip di kenan gi relationship life partner nyam to kenan gi travel che de easy okay the travel card rang li dura relationship la new journey new beginning ra kenan gi life partner nyam do trip and the travel and che easy re yana khaji chi chi do ra life partner ko ra sawa ra the relationship sawa chi go chu ya de easy re kenan zo chi do okay o de di chang ma khari lam pe positive re ta ra yak po re the blessings okay kenan gi chi do blessings de li yori universe kila kenan zo la on de tang gi blessings okay sawa new journey in a relationship okay yana kenan zo already relationship na la union de ye ra so relationship nyam ta yang ta tiring ni pinche ngarangi ra tar partner so life partner nyam discuss che planning so me ngarangi trip tende lingi inda ta ngarangi du so tende kigi ngarangi che du tende la ni sawa chi so me so life la rules sawa chi kele on de tungi du okay yana kenan zo che du di ingere single in this ra relationship positive relationship journey sawa chi go chu ya okay yana kana gi live law den mira journey travel trip tende liya khawo yo pe happy ta pe positive in yo mi tende le yin si de kana gi live law okay ani di chene kana gi chi du da tikare career kang la okay financial rang tungi du kenan so career kang la financial gain chuk chimbu che kenan gi da chi kali chuk chimbu jani de la tibu yapu thyo tungi dora tibu yapu tungi tibu kare tungi financial gain chuk chimbu che ra kenan gi career di journey sawa chi go chu ani sawa in bai ne khaji chi chi du da go chu cha so os build up che cha gyo do tungi dora career di da kenan gi os build up che cha gyo do tungi du khaji chi chi do yang di sawa in gire go chu cha sing gire khaji chi go chu cha ne da wa sum de de du gyo do tungi dora kenan so ga chi career okay on di la ni kenan so financial gain pe shuk chimbu tungi du ra financial gain hang sai shuk chimbu tungi du kiran zo chira be financially freedom chai chme on de tungi du ani on de as a blessings re ra andi cheni kina gi du khari li du claim your independence okay en kina dar independence claim che la cho kiran gi relationship na la ti shi khaji gi boundaries su da on de boundaries su di dina ra la ti shi freedom go ngara independent yi la chme ta ngala da khala ore changma kiran gi ola yu gyo tu and treat ma che nga tis ngara freedom yu la chme ngara kang ba lang thu yu la chme on de do ge shi du ra kina claim your independence okay ani on de ke shi du shimi li da shi shimi on de ke shi de Chameleon spirit ke act as if okay and kena gi da khari chewa ine kena gi duba khari to chi dub du na ra dub cha yo do tangbong ne feel di che la chime kena gi da on di manifestation ka la ke shi du ra law of attraction da de la da on di ka la ke shi da act as if ra kena gi ta for example khari shaw ta kina gi leka chik ta nga tendi chikra career kan la na ta na relationship kan la na ya relationship pe positive to tu ya gi la chime pe positive to tu ya ya na kina gi health na pe pos ta strong the ta dambung ne nga strong na yi la feel che chime so this chick subul na cha do da mental this q me wa ne ta nga q rang ye samet do da nga subut theo rang ye nga pe strong rang ye samet do da relationship chola ne nga ta changma ye nga ne pa changma se wa chi chu ne nga la changma se wa chi ye samet do ra so pe positive su ya ani career kang la imba ne nga career already nga pe successful yi nga pe yakpu ye leka yakpu chigyu de la property bu pe yakpu tungi du la chime on de so mind pe positive kang la shaya on de ke shidura already kiran chung cha gyo do la kiran gi de ba khari yu gyo di kiran gi already chung cha gyo do feel che go on de ke shidura okay kiran gi zo ge chidu da reading tam sri ni guidance ta de ge sama so la ko message de be ning jimo jin jar kyo jin jar on de ne chin li bi re wa yu la shera ani kiran gi chidu khalawre December month ke pe ta kharten so da blessings is be positive trani so pe apo positively pe apo chini thobe pe rewa yu ani nyendu disi ba ka o chung so ani kena gi nam gyun shin nyendu di la ka ta channel la subscribe okay ani ngyur che yong tashi the leg if your animal sign is rooster then this reading is for you and this is This reading is about what is happening for you for the December month. Okay, so first I'm going to check your current energies, and your current energy looks like you're having lots of thoughts or taking responsibility, very heavy responsible, or you are having some headache or physically very heavy, or feeling like heavy or something. Okay, but this is completing very soon, whatever you're going through. Okay, whatever you're going through, and the upcoming energy is coming temperate, so you're going to feel very positive. You're protected by God, and whoever you believed in, you are protected. Okay, and you're bringing the balance in your life, in your relationship, in your career and relationship, health and mental health and physical health, everything. You are bringing so much positive balance, okay, in your relationship, and you're going to feel very peaceful in December month. Okay, and then after that, you are about your health. You are very highly intuitive in December month, so you're going to do some meditation. This is going to be very good, especially under the full moon meditation. This is going to be very effective for you, for your mental health and for your physical health as well. Okay, so and your physical health looks strong and very good in December. You will fight whatever you are going through. You will fight with bad bacteria with your good bacteria. Okay, because you are very strong in December month. And okay, so and for your mental health, it's very good to do some meditations or spend some time with the nature as well. Okay, so this is going to bring very positive result for you, for your mental health. Okay, and after that, this is about your relationship. So you are feeling very strong in December month, or you're feeling very fulfilled. Whatever you have worked for, you're going to see the positive result, and you're going to feel very good, authority, powerful, little bit of dominant. Okay, as well. Or this can be your partner's energy. Okay, this can be your partner's energy, or your someone in your family member, like your father. This can be your brother. This is male energy. Okay, so you have someone who is very being protective, and or this can be in your new partner. Okay, if you're single and you're looking for a relationship, then this is your new partner's energy as well. This can be. Okay, so this person looks very strong, authority, and very financially very good, and whatever your partner and this person has worked for, this person sees the positive result and very fulfilled with his or her life. Okay, and yeah, from the mid December, you are making some boundaries for you are setting some boundaries for yourself in a relationship. Okay, so or you are standing up for your relationship, your partner. You're backing up for your partners. Okay, so this can be your backing up, or this can be you're making boundaries for yourself, because you're going to feel like, okay, I need some boundaries, otherwise I'm not very happy in a relationship, so I need to set the boundaries. And then you're going to set some boundaries for your relationship as well in the December month. Okay, and about your career, you have built something very big right now. Okay, so you have worked very hard, and you're going to see the very you're seeing the positive result, and you're going to you're seeing the success of your hard work as well. Okay, so after that, you're going to heal from the past, because if you have failed in the past and you're still carrying that pain in your heart because of that failure, then after the mid of the December, you're releasing all the pain and all the trauma, all the negativity from your mind and from your heart, from the past. You're going to be healed, okay, from the past, because you're going to see the very successful life in December, or after, in between, after 3 months. Okay, and then you are going to be healed, and you are going to feel better about your career. Okay, because you have built something big. And then as a blessings, you are receiving big amount of happy money. Okay, so then you are being very kind and generous, and you are helping others. Okay, you are helping poor people. Okay, you are giving them something to eatable or something to wear in December. Okay, and you're going to find your passion as well. And for the blessings, no, for the guidance from the animal, cat spirit is coming and claim your independence. Okay, this is saying claim your independence. You don't have to, even if your relationship looks like you have a bigger person or very authoritative or dominant person in your life, still you are making boundaries for yourself. Okay, so this is exactly the confirmation card for this. Okay, so claim your independence. You need to set some boundaries, and you can be independent as well. Okay, this card is saying that. And another guidance is act as if whatever you want, you have to act like you already have that thing. Okay, this is kind of speaking about law of attraction or manifestation. Okay, so whatever you are manifesting, you have to act like I already have. If you want a love life, very loving partner, then you have to feel like, oh, okay, I already have a loving partner. I'm lovable, I'm love, I myself love, and I love myself, and I have a loving partner. You have to feel like that. Okay, and if you are looking for the career success, then you have to feel like, okay, I'm already successful in my career. Okay, you have to feel like that. You have to act like that. Okay, and if you want to feel very healthy, then you have to feel like, okay, I'm very healthy already. Okay, you have to feel like that. Act as if. Okay, and then after that, about your blessings in a relationship, oh, about your blessings in a health, sorry, you are looking to planning to do something. Okay, you are planning to take some, maybe some trip, and then from that trip you are going to feel very light physically and mentally, and you're going to feel very relaxed, peaceful, happy. Okay, these kind of blessings is coming for you in your, for your health and for your relationship. You're starting something new. Okay, new journey. This can be also a trip. Okay, trip with your partner as well. Okay, or you're making some new plannings in your relationship, or you're, if you are single, then you are starting something new, some new relationship as well. Okay, in as a blessings in December. And then after that, for your career, you are receiving lots of big amount of money because of your hard work. Okay, so you have worked very hard, and you're going to see the success, and you're going to feel very financially freedom, financially independent because of this amount of money. And this is blessings. Okay, okay, so that's it for you. I hope you understand everything and you received your message very well, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.